the complete guide to growing lemon trees and how to get fruit in 2 to 3 years. What is a lemon tree and how does it grow? A lemon tree is a citrus fruit that grows in warm climates. The lemon tree has been grown for centuries and it has been used for many purposes, such as cooking, cleaning, and even medicine. A lemon tree can grow up to 10 meters tall but are best when pruned so that harvesting lemons are in easy reach. It has glossy, green leaves that have an acidic smell to them when they are crushed. Lemon trees have white flowers that hang from stems in dense clusters at the end of branches, and these clusters form fragrant yellow-green fruit. The best types of lemon trees for your climate. The lemon tree is a citrus fruit that is native to Asia but is now grown in many other regions. The lemon tree is a small, evergreen plant that can be grown in pots and in many climates. Lemon trees can be grown outdoors year-round as long as they have enough sunlight and water, or they can be grown indoors with artificial light during the winter months. Meyer, Lisbon and Eureka are all popular varieties of lemon trees. How to grow a lemon tree from seed. Growing a lemon tree from seed is a great way to start your own fruit garden. Be patient though. A lemon tree grown from seed may not produce fruit for the first 3 to 5 years. Materials for growing a lemon tree from seed. You need to have a container or garden with soil, and you have to have sunlight too. That's all that is necessary to grow a lemon tree. Lemon growing instructions. The first thing that you need to do is soak the seeds in water. We recommend using half a cup of white vinegar in a gallon of water and soaking the lemon seeds for a few days. This kills any bacteria or fungi that may be on the seed. Then, keep them in a warm, sunny area where temperatures do not fall below 10 degrees centigrade when they are sprouting. After the seedlings are 6 inches tall, transplant them into potting soil and keep them moist while they are growing. Soon you'll enjoy picking lemons all year round. Which type of soil is best for growing lemon trees? Soils that are rich in organic matter, such as compost and manure, will produce better fruit than soils that are not rich in organic matter. Organic soil is best for lemon trees because it contains higher levels of nitrogen, which is essential for plant growth. Mulching a lemon tree with grass clippings is an excellent and inexpensive way to cover and feed the soil so your tree produces an abundance of fruit. How do you prune a lemon tree? When you are pruning a lemon tree, it is important to look at the overall shape of the tree and remove branches that are crossing or rubbing against one another. This will ensure that you have a tree with an open shape and plenty of light for all the fruit to ripen evenly and is easy to harvest. 1. Remove dead, diseased, or broken branches from the tree. 2. Cut back any branches that rub against each other or cross over one another. 3. Cut back any branches so they don't touch the ground and become susceptible to disease. 4. Remove any low-hanging branches that could harm the tree. 5. Remove any suckers from the base of the lemon tree. 6. Ensure the tree trunk is protected from prolonged and direct sun exposure. What kinds of fruits will my lemon tree produce? Citrus trees are not just ornamental. They can produce delicious fruit. Lemons are a great source of vitamin C and they have a tangy and sour taste that is perfect for homemade lemonade, fresh juice, or iced tea. The first thing you need to know about lemons is that they need full sun exposure in order to produce fruit. They also need a lot of water, so make sure you water them every other day during the summer months and once a week during the winter months depending on your climate and zone. Do not drown the roots or leave your tree sitting in water for prolonged amounts of time as this will kill it. They also need a lot of fertilizer because they are a heavy fruit producer. Organic fertilizers are the way to go if you are eating the fruit from your tree. Grass clippings, compost teas, and cow or seasoned chicken manure are all excellent fertilizers for your lemon tree. Regular fertilization will ensure you get lots of healthy fruit. Eating lemons. You may not want to bite into a lemon, but there are many ways to eat and juice them, like by hand or with a citrus press. You can also use an electric juicer. The lemon juice can be squeezed on pancakes, used in baked goods, and desserts, and add extra flavor to sweet and sour dishes. Lemon slices are also used as a garnish. 5 incredible health benefits of drinking lemon juice every day. Lemon juice contains vitamin C and is a natural detoxifier. It also helps in the prevention of cardiovascular diseases and cancer. Lemon juice has many benefits when consumed on a regular basis. Here are 5 of them. 1. Lemon juice is a natural detoxifier. 2. It helps in the prevention of cardiovascular diseases and cancer. 3. Lemon juice boosts immunity, cleanses the body, and prevents colds. 5. Drinking lemon juice every day may help you lose weight. Growing a lemon tree is not only a beautiful ornamental tree, but it also produces fruits that have many beneficial features for your health when consumed. Are you planting a lemon tree in your garden? Let us know in the comments below.